Hi guys, welcome to my channel. How to download Gigabyte graphic card driver. So first you have to come this site www.gigabyte.com. This is officially website. After that click on search and then enter the model number of motherboard, graphic card, AORUS random RX 680 XT master type C 16G, and then click on the product and then click on this graphic card on it. Then click on support. Then select your operating system, Windows 7, 10, 11. So all the operating system installations process same, AMD driver, and this is download icon. So you just click on the download. When you click to download, it will start downloading. You can see it is start downloading. Wait few seconds, it will complete, and then click on three dot and go to download. So you can see it is start downloading, and this is size. So after it is completed, then click on this icon. After that, open this location where it is downloading. Okay. Then right click and run as administrator. If you are Windows 10, so show more and then click on run as administrator. After that, click on yes. And then click on install. After that, this is extracting to your system. Now you can see this is installing, so it will take some time, and it is close after install, then close it.